2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to be replacing this USB port right here, the aux port where you plug your music in. If you can get this blue plastic interior tool, this will help a lot. I'll link it below. What you want to do is take this tool and kind of go in between this little line in here and poke this in there, and this panel will pop loose. When the panel pops loose, you can kind of grab it from the bottom and kind of wiggle it and pull it forward. Lots of wiggling, pull it forward so it'll come out. Be gentle with it. And then you have three connectors. You got to undo these connectors. The cigarette lighter, there's a little clip. It's like halfway down the button. You push it and then you pull this upwards and it'll come undone. The center one, there's like a tiny little thumb button in the middle. You have to push it down and pull the connector backwards. That one's kind of tough. I had to use like a little small tool to push it. And then the same thing in the back. It's like another aux port cigarette lighter, same as the front connector. Get those disconnected. Take your panel over here. And on the sides of this USB port, there are these little plastic springs. I'll show you once I get it out, but you're going to compress both of them and push the thing forward like this. And then once you have it out, here's what it looks like. These are the little springs I'm talking about, these little plastic little springs. Anyways, here's the part number right here. 86120-3S100. It's available on Amazon. I will link it below. It's got a 5-star rating. It's the Hyundai genuine part, and they also sell the cigarette lighters on Amazon too, so I'll link those too if that's what you're using them for. And then once you get your new one, you just open it, and then we're just going to pop it right back in and pretty much put it together in reverse order. Put this guy in. It only goes in one way because of the shape of it. You push that in, it should kind of snap into place, and then we got to come and put our three connectors back on. The cigarette lighter ones, they just kind of go right back on. The center one, of course, goes in. Try not to stress the wire harnesses out because wires break kind of easy. And then get all the three connectors on. And then when you put this panel back in, it's probably the hardest part of the job, is you have to line these three tabs up and get those in place. And then you also kind of have to line up the proper orientation for this panel. It took me probably 3 minutes of just constantly trying. So once you mess with it after a while, you'll get it. But that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code gearmoauto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type gearmoauto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.